Tabor Electronics are at the Dixie Crows Electronic Warfare Conference. Let's take a look at what the problems we're trying to solve and how we solve it with some of our new Proteus Arbitrary Waveform Transceiver software-defined radio technology. Core element in the defense systems of an aircraft is the radar warning receiver. The goal of the radar warning receiver is to analyze the waveforms from a specific threat and inform the pilot of what countermeasures he can take against that threat. The radar warning receiver is usually attached to 4 or more antennas, one on the fore, one on the aft, one on the tip of each wing, and the signal arrives at different times and allows the radar warning receiver to determine the angle of arrival. To help test these systems, Tabor Electronics have introduced the Proteus Arbitrary Waveform Transceiver. It's a software-defined radio technology. It's modular. Each module contains 4 transmit channels and 2 receive channels. It includes a closed-loop feedback where you can add Doppler and delay between receive and transmit. It also has deep memory, so you can store many threat signals inside the instrumentation. Finally, you can offset the phase and timing between each channel to create accurate angle of arrival. As well as a digital RF memory mode, we've also included an easy-to-program FPGA system that allows you to define a receiver path and then make decisions on the received signal to be able to play different waveforms under different circumstances. You can define the digital down conversion, you can define the finite impulse response filters, there's averaging, there's FFTs in there, and ultimately there's a mathematics section that allows you to look at the signal and determine what is the next signal set that you want to play out. For more information, please visit taborelect.com. We look forward to talking to you.